Welcome back. Hello student, are you ready? I am going to discuss simultaneous equation based on ages. First question. A is 20 years older than B. 5 years ago, A was 3 times as old as B. Find their present age. Let present age of A be X years and Y be and B be Y years. According to question, x equal to y plus 20, x minus y equal to 20. As given here, age of A is 20 years older than B, so that x equal to y plus 20 or x minus y equal to 20. This is the equation first. Second step, x minus 5 years ago equal to 3 times y minus 5. X minus 5 equal to 3y minus 15, x minus 3y equal to minus 15 plus 5, x minus 3y equal to minus 10. Equation 1 subtracted from equation 2, we get here minus 2y equal to minus 30, y equal to 15. Put the value of y in equation 1, x minus 15 equal to 20 or x equal to 20 plus 15, x equal to 35. Answer: the present age of A is 35 years and the present age of B 15 years. Now come on, based on question based on CP and SP, cost price and selling price. Two articles A and B are sold for rupees 1,167, making 5% profit on A and 7% profit on B. If two articles are sold for rupees 1,165, profit of 7% is made on A and a profit of 5% is made on B. Find the cost price of each article. This is the question. Second solution. Let CP of article A be rupees X and of B be rupees Y. According to question, X plus 5% of X plus Y plus 7% of Y equal to 1,167 means x plus 5 by 100 x plus y plus 7 by 100 y equal to 1,167. 1,105 upon 100 plus x plus 107 y upon 100 equal to 1,167. 105 x plus 107 y equal to 1,16,700. This is the first equation. Similarly, x plus 7 by 100x plus y plus 5 by 100y equal to 1,165. 107 upon 100x plus 105 y upon 100 equal to 1,165. 107x plus 105y equal to 1,16,500. Equation second. Equation 1 multiplying by 105 and equation 2 107. 11,025x plus 11,235y equal to 12,25,350. Like this 11. This is the second equation. Subtract, we will get 4 minus 424x equal to minus 2,12,000. X equal to divide 2,12,000 divided by 424. We will get x equal to 500. Put x in equation 1 and solve it. We will get y equal to 600. Answer: CP of article A rupees 500 and CP of article B rupees 600. And next question, waste on time and work. Waste on time and work. Pooja and Ritu can do a piece of work, can do piece of work in 17 whole 1/7 days. If one day work of Pooja, if one day work of Pooja be 3/4 of one day work of one day work of Ritu. Find how many days. Find how many days each will do the work. Each will do the work. The work alone. Let Pooja can do alone in X days and Ritu can do alone in Y days. According to question, 1/x plus 1/y equal to 1/17 whole 1/7. 1/x plus 1/y equal to 7/120 and step 2, 1/x equal to 3/4 1/y or 1/x minus 3/4 y equal to 0. Equation 2. Equation 2 subtracted from 1 means 1/x plus 1/y equal to 7/120. 1/x minus 3/4 y equal to 0. Minus. This 1/y plus 3/4 1/y plus 3/4 y equal to 7/120 or 7/4 y equal to 7/120 या 1/y equal to 1/30 y equal to 30 day. put y in equation 1 by x plus 1 by 30 equal to 7 by 120. 1 by x equal to 7 by 120 minus 1 by 30. 1 by x equal to 7 minus 4. 120. 1 by x equal to 4 by 3 by 120. 1 by x equal to 1 by 40. X equal to 40 days. Answer. Ritu Pooja can complete alone. Pooja can complete in 40 days, and Ritu can complete in 30 days alone. This is the answer of this question. All of you write down. I will take one more question. First, all of you write down this. Annual income. The annual income of A and B are in the ratio 3:4, and their annual expenditure expenditures are in the ratio 5:7. Each saves rupees 5,000. Find their annual incomes. Find their annual incomes. Annual incomes. Let annual income of A be rupees X and rupees 3x and which be rupees 4x. Annual income, annual expenditure, annual of A, B rupees 5y and B rupees 7y. According to question, 3x minus 5y 5000 equation 1. 4x minus 7y equation 1 multiply by 4 and 2 by 3. 12x minus 20y equal to 20,000. 12x minus 21y equal to 15,000. This third, this fourth. Subtract y equal to 5,000. Put y equal to 5,000 in equation 1. 3x 3x minus 5 into 5,000 equal to 20,000. 3x no, this is given 5,000. 5,000 plus 25,000. 3x equal to 30,000. X equal to 10,000. So correct. Find their annual income of A equal to rupees 3x page 3 into 10,000 rupees 30,000. Annual income of V rupees 4x rupees 4 into 5,000 rupees 20,000. Three x x is income, sorry. X is 4x, that 4 into 10,000 that 40,000. Yes, correct. Now do the given question in exercise 6